let's not talk about my Christmas tree, because yes, it's still there. Hi guys, welcome back to Living with Charnelle. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a T.J.Maxx haul. Grab a cup of coffee or tea or your favorite snack and let's dive into this haul. Now, let's not talk about that Christmas tree because I have not had time to take this down, and I'm not planning to take it down anytime soon. Actually, I might take it down next weekend, who knows. We'll see what happens. Y'all know this thing is not easy to put up or take down, but it's fun to decorate, and I'm not ready to do that. I still have all my decor around. I have not taken down anything, so it's not just the Christmas tree, it's a bunch of them. Let's get going. So I'm going to start with the items that I went to the store for. I went to the store to get a few bags. Actually, I wanted to get 3 bags, which I did. I got 3 handbags, and the rest were just items that I found there. Let's start with this first item. This first purse is just so cute. I just love this purse. This is a Steve Madden little purse. This is not the type of purse that you put in everything. This is just kind of like a simple purse that you wear when you go out. I really like the fact that it has this long, it's not that long, I'm just realizing it's not that long, but I love bags that have this on, and you can always, I believe you can take this out if you want to. Let's see. So you can take these out. Okay, so that is still with the tag, but you can take this out and just wear it this way. So in the bag you have one zipper on this side, and on this side you have one pocket, and you just have empty space. And then it has Steve Madden all over, obviously. It also has this really cute tie on the side, and I really think that makes it a little chic. I love it. So I got another brown bag. It's another Steve Madden. Apparently I like Steve Madden. Actually, I do like Steve Madden. So I got a different bag. This bag is a little different. It's not the type that you can fold a different way, but it has this. I love this one though. I really like it. This is my style. This is definitely my style. When I go shopping, or if I'm just walking around, this is what I like to wear, because those huge purses that you have to put here is just not my thing. So this one is also another Steve Madden bag, and then on the back you have this little pocket there, and inside you have same thing. You have a zipper on this side, and you have a pocket right there as well. I love it. This one is black. How cute is that? How cute is that bag? I don't even know what this brand is. Vegan leather. Is that true? It says vegan leather on it. That's interesting. I don't even care for leather anyways. I'm not one of those who love leather. You know, I'm just noticing, that's weird, that this chain is gold but has 3 black chains right here. 1, 2, 3. That's different. I didn't even notice that. I don't know if that's nice or not, but so this one is black and gold. I don't wear clutches or purses a lot, but when I do, it's usually a brown or a black or like a nude or a white. I'm not a big fan of colorful purses or clutch, whatever it is. I just don't like colors when it comes to those. So, oh, you also have an extra, I did not even know. You have this other chain in. This is actually chain and material or something like that. It's black and gold. I love it. I love it. So in here you have one compartment that has just a pocket, and then you have a zipper in the middle, and then you have another zipper on the side. So that's what it looks like. Comment below which one of these bags is your favorite. I personally really like It's tough. Out of the browns, I like this one the most. I mean, they're just all nice purses. I don't even know. They're all nice bags. I don't know which one. Actually, I don't have a favorite. Let's get into some exercising. I got this slimmer belt. I had one which I don't know where it is. This one was only $5.99. I didn't tell you what the bag's prices were because, like I said, I'm going to be giving that to family members. Either way, so this was $5.99. It's slimmer belt, extra coverage. It's black. I haven't seen it. And then the height is 10 inches. I believe I got 2 exercising items if I remember well. So I also got this jump rope by Jessica Simpson, and this was $4.99. This is the color. You see on the side is black and gray. So the next item is this shower cap. Next shower item was this set of shower gloves. It says 2 pairs. Like who puts 2 hands of gloves to take a shower? I know I don't. I just use one, so I know I'm gonna use this many for a few weeks or months. These were $3.99 for 4 gloves. I think that's a good price. Next, in the shower department or beauty department was this Elizabeth Arden Normal Skin Refining Toner Lotion. I thought it was just a toner. Well, we're gonna try this and see how it goes. This was $6. Next item is this set of face masks. So if you haven't heard of Max Knee, pimples about where you wear your mask, I have been experiencing some of those, and I lost most of my masks. I have just a few left, so I grabbed 3 of these. Amazon sells these more expensive than this. So these were $7.99. I got a set of 3. I'm actually excited for this. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it fits right. Oh, also has this part that you can extend or make tighter. There's something here to just snap it on your nose. This actually fits very well. This is the shape of mask I like. I'm not a big fan of the regular one. I like this shape better. So I have this color. I have, oh, it also has pockets, so you can insert a filter if you want to. These are really well made. Next item is this Thickening Brighten shampoo. I ran out of shampoo and I needed to buy shampoo, and I didn't want to go back to the shampoo I have. I wanted to try something new, so I went in, and when I saw this, I had to take it. I grabbed it, and it has let's see, biotin, castor oil, provitamin B5, and bamboo. Who knows what it is? That's expensive. It's a little bit cheaper than the shampoo I usually get. So this was $7.99. So it's a little bit cheaper, and it has more than what I usually buy. So that was a good purchase. Yes to US, made in the US, clean beauty, color safe, all hair types, botanical ingredients. So this is very natural ingredients. We'll see how that goes, because you know sometimes people do things like this just to make money out of us, but we know the truth. We know the truth. Y'all know how expensive Giovanni is. Found this body wash and I wanted to try it. $4.50. It's a big bottle. This is way bigger than what I usually buy. I usually use St. Ives, and this is way bigger than St. Ives, and it's about the same price. St. Ives is about $4, so this was a good steal. I got some more beauty stuff, the makeup part. The first item is this brown pomade for your eyebrows, to get your eyebrow slick. $2.99 for this. This is way cheaper than what I usually get. I usually get the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is $20 from Sephora. This was very cheap. We're gonna see how that works, but this was a really good alternate or alternate substitute for that. The second item was this eyeshadow little case for $2.99. It's pretty small. I like really nude or brown colors when I do my makeup. I'm not a big fan of bright colors, so this was a good one for $2.99. This is by Milani. Those are the colors, and then on the back it gives you options on how to achieve a certain look, and it tells you what to use to achieve that look. The third item was this set. It has blue, gold, and pink. This is also by Milani. It has the blue, the pink, and the gold. Gold is my favorite color when it comes to highlights, so I'm not really sure what that blue will serve. Along with those, I grabbed two body misks. This is Kenzie So Pretty Body Mist by Kenzie. I have no idea who Kenzie is. And the Pink Friday by Nicki Minaj. So you have the Kenzie So Pretty Body Mist and the Pink Friday by Nicki Minaj, and they were both, ooh. This was $5.99 and the Nicki Minaj was $6.99. We're almost getting to the end, and obviously I could not shop without getting anything for the kitchen. And I'm gonna start with these teas. I got this elderberry horse hip hibiscus no caffeine herbal tea. This has 16 tea bags. I'm actually excited about this one. Individually wrapped, which is good. The second tea that I got is this organic peppermint fresh and vibrant caffeine free infusion, 20 individually wrapped tea bags. So let's see. This is so fancy. Look at that. Look at how fancy that looks. This tea was only $3.49 and this one is $2.99. The last item, which was the most expensive item, I couldn't go there without getting something for my kitchen. You all know that. I got this heavy, very heavy pot. I got this cast iron pot by Lodge Enamel. This is my very first cast iron pan or pot. I've been wanting one of these, but I have not had the heart to spend hundreds of dollars on it. So we're gonna see how. This is the type of pot that you use if you want to do like stir fry vegetables or something very small and light, and not really like a whole pot of soup or something like that, because this is not big enough. This was $39.99. I love the color and I hope you do too. It's just so beautiful. Like, it has this ombre gray to white type of color. It's very heavy, so I have to literally like put on my shoulder. The thing is very heavy. It's pretty heavy. It's quite heavy. So I love it. This is the inside, and it has the Lodge brand there. I don't think they did a good job with this pot. This is way cheaper than like if you wanted to get a cast iron pot like the Creuset, for example, which is like a few hundreds. The smaller pot that is like this is at least $150, and because I'm a newbie at using this pot, I didn't want to splurge and buy something very expensive that I might not really end up liking. So I'm okay trying this version. Oh, so this comes up apparently if you want to change it into a different top, I'm guessing. Oh my goodness, I removed the top. That was loud. That was very loud. I thought it broke the pan, but I need to find that because I need to put this back. I think they did a good job with the pot cover. I'm not so sure about the pot itself. The color on the back is good, but the inside, if you look closely, you can see that It's like you can see the cast iron through this coat that they tried to cover with. You can literally almost see through it. It's not the best. Look at that. You can see that. Like I said in the video, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I do have coffee here in case someone comes over and they want to drink some coffee. I haven't really had a lot of people asking for coffee when they're here. It's mostly my tea that usually goes out pretty fast. I think this might be, yeah, this is black tea. So I just have here some leftover Lipton. I'm not really a big fan of Lipton. Usually these are teas that people gave me, and I did not really get to it yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and just add the teas that I just got because I'm so excited. And yes, there will be a pantry tour. If you would like to see that, let me know and I will find some time to give you a tour of my pantry.